Alright, what up YouTube? It's your boy Water the Field, man, aka Midwest Momoa. You already know the story. Lifestyle, feel that. This is shooting from the hip, man. We shoot from the hip over here, and every time I say that, always know that this is like the third or fourth take on this video. This is how we shoot from the hip. Yesterday, I got informed via brother Tommy at Open Air Fish Market, Enduring Patriot, respect, that I missed a bit of communication between me and one of our other brothers, Jack, Redneck Renegade, respect, graciously asking me to pick out June's recipient and nominee for Sparks of Hope. And yeah, it's June 17th. Yeah, here we are. I'm usually late on shit like this, and some of the Sparks of Hope nominees can vouch for that because they don't quite have my projects. So, without any further ado, here is my nominee for June, Mr. Simpson. Mr. Simpson, I know you're watching. I know you're watching because you're a huge supporter of this channel and of me, and happen to be my wife's grandpa and my grandpa in every sense of the word. Proud veteran is what he is. 1644 transportation unit out of Illinois. Retired combat veteran. 2 tours. He was there for Operation Desert Shield to help sustain Saudi Arabia, and then there for Operation Desert Storm when we took on Iraq. Very proud of his service, very proud of his country that he served. So, there's June. That's the nominee. Mr. Simpson, nothing but respect and love. Thank you very much for your service to this country. And man, everything you do for my family and me. Alright, love you. Everybody out there, hey, you see a veteran, you thank a veteran. That's the least we can do. The very least. If you could do more, always. Alright, peace out, y'all. Laters.